To know on how to connect Pabbly with MailerLite, the first thing is click the Create Workflow button and then type in your preferred workflow name and then click Create button. On the next page, search for MailerLite and then choose your preferred trigger event and then click Connect and then get your token from MailerLite account. Should be something like this. And then click Save. All right, now you know on how to connect Pabbly with MailerLite and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.